All right, guys, welcome back to the channel, CCW Fox. Today we're reviewing my friend David's 93 Coupe. It is swap, but it's not the usual swap. Watch the review and you can see what this has. What are you doing with your hats? Act natural?
I'm nervous.
We're trying to get to review this video and I'll show you this beautiful Sonic Blue swap. And if you give me a like and subscribe, I'd greatly appreciate it. Help me build the channel. Put your hands away and we'll get the review of this beautiful 93 swap. Thank you.
With what was going on, and at the end of the day, you.
All right, David. So tell me about your car. How long have you had it?
First of all, what's going on, guys? David. I had it since 2019. Shout out to Phil Loveday, Mike Andrews. Good looking out, guys.
If you know Mike Andrews, I did a review on his car, on his truck, the 68. Go check it out. It's a good truck. What made you get this car? How long were you looking for a car?
Yeah, I was in a hunt for a Foxbody. Phil was my boss back at Toyota, and he's always had his forever, and him and Mike Andrews had their own shop, and he always talked about the cars they had in his garage, and I actually seen them, and super clean. So I had a little itch for one. I really wanted a Foxbody.
So was this even for sale, or?
Actually, he had just picked it up from Oklahoma, so he never even got to review it, not even got to get it off the trailer before I even bought it.
So he just picked it up. Hey, I got it for sale. And he's just like, hey, man,
I got something coming in. I want you to look at it. Tell me what you think. Show me pictures. I already told him I wanted it.
Without even driving it, dude. It was love at first sight.
Yeah, dude. The color got me. The Sonic Blue, really sharp.
Yeah,
not a whole lot of Foxbodies with the Sonic Blue.
Yeah, the Sonic Blue is good. Looks real good. So as far as wheels, what wheels are these? These are the Weld S71s, right?
Yeah, it's the Welds with the Hancock Super Streets in the front.
What size tire in the front?
So I got 17s in the front with the 215.
And then in the back?
And then I got the back, the Mickey Thompson Super Street 275 with a 15-inch.
Now I see you have disc brakes all the way around the back. What disc brakes do you have in the back? Or what disc brakes are these?
So they came off the Cobra. So
off a 98 Cobra?
Yeah, it's the 5-lug conversion.
Telling you guys, everybody, you gotta do the 5-lug conversion with the Cobra brakes. Because Foxbody brakes suck. So as far as the outside, what else has been done on the outside? I see the cow hood, the fiberglass cow hood.
Yeah, fiberglass cow hood was added.
It doesn't seem too high. It seems like a low ride. I guess it's like kind of like a 2-inch ride.
Correct. Pretty much the shaved antenna, of course.
The clean headlights. Clean
headlights. Super clean. It had the front lip. I had the front lip in the front from the GT, but I took it off. Kept catching on the driveway. I got the headlights of an 86. The tail lights.
The tail lights. I'll show you the tail lights, guys.
The tail lights from the 86.
Because the tail lights look good. If you guys don't know what we're talking about for the older GTs, it's because it has the yellow blinker on it. It's separated. As far as exhaust, what exhaust do you have on it? Do you know?
So it's the X pipe to the Flowmasters with the muffler delete.
And I put an idle clip on right there, guys, so y'all can hear an idle. The outside, is there anything else you want to share? Like, what else have you done?
Not much to it. You already see it.
So pretty much the way it sits is pretty much the way you bought it.
It does its justice for itself.
Yeah, that paint looks good, guys. You see the way the light looks on the reflection in the paint. Man, it looks freaking good.
Yeah, I can go more, but I think just the stance alone already looks good.
So as far as suspension, though, let's talk about stance. What exactly suspension do you have? Because it does sit really freaking good. I love the way it sits.
Yeah, it's got a lowering kit all the way around with the adjustable pullovers.
Do you know exactly what they are?
Actually, I do not.
So just told you a car is ready to go. Let's do it.
Yeah, pretty much set me up for success. Any add-ons I do after that, it's history.
We want to set people up for success.
All right, Dave, far as the interior, tell us about the interior. These seats, because I can tell these aren't Foxbody seats.
So,
What are these seats right here?
out of a 95 GT.
Yeah, like the nice tweed on these 95s. Nah, but
Yeah.
look, I always like these seats, man. They're like a nice tweed seat. They're cloth, so you don't sweat your balls off here in Texas.
Yeah, true, but big boy status, you know, it gets a little bit of lean on it, you know.
Got the nice Phantom tack.
Yes, sir.
You're also running the 98 cluster.
So to run the computer.
Yeah, guys, if you don't know, when you're doing these Cobra swaps from the 98s, you have to run this dash because of the PAT system. Otherwise, it makes it unoperable. Also,
Yeah.
guys, if you realize the car is 93, but it is running older 89 steering wheel. Just in case y'all see it and y'all start tripping, that is swapped as well. What transmission are you running? Because this definitely is not a factory transmission.
It's got a 2-speed power glide with the line lock on it.
Yep, there's a line lock right
With
there,
the
guys.
BMM, yeah, the short shifter.
So it was set up for like a drag car, right?
Yeah, it was drag ready. So the car is pretty much set up for drag.
But you just more cruise.
But with these Texas streets, with everything being so far, gas isn't really friendly with this thing.
Yeah. But also, man, I don't know. It's too clean. It's just like dragging, man. I'd rather just cruise it. But
Yeah, eventually our plan is to redo the whole interior. We want to get it more modern, you know.
nah, but it's a clean interior, man.
Yeah.
Then you got the matching Cobra floor mats.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's a clean interior right here. It's good.
Don't mind my safe drive, guys.
Look, guys, he's trying to save his insurance. He's trying to save his insurance, guys. Come on, don't blame him, guys.
What are you wearing, Jake from State Farm?
Khakis.
They wanna make sure this is a show car, not a everyday driver.
All right, guys, this is where you show her the old face right here. This is the swap right here.
I might be showing her my O face. Oh.
All right, Dave. So so this is a 98?
Of course, yes, the 98, straight out of the
98 Cobra?
Cobra.
Was anything done to it? Do you know if it's just a straight swap?
Straight swap. That's internals, not so much.
Just stock engine,
factory
just swapped.
stock. The other thing I added really was the trans cooler. Of course.
I also see you have a BBK throttle body
Yeah.
though. I think like a twin 65 probably, or twin. I can't remember what size they make them in. Then you have the BBK code there. I see the MSD coils.
Yes.
So they're red. You're talking about the radiator. It's not a Cobra radiator, right?
No, it's the GT, the compartment size. I had to make it fit.
So you can't run a Cobra radiator. You have to run a GT.
I could try to fit the Cobra, but it's a little bit bigger.
So what year GT radiator is this out of though?
There's a 97.
Oh, 97?
There's a 97 radiator.
Guys, but if you look at everything, like he's shaved.
Yeah,
Everything's been shaved.
They did a phenomenal job on the
Like
paint.
everything's been shaved. All the holes been taken off. Look at the fender well. They actually did it from the inside. All the holes have been cleaned. It's a really clean engine bay. Like they did a clean swap. They didn't just throw the motor in there.
And of course, all the extra space. The batteries relocated, of course.
It's just a clean freaking swap. I like how they painted the valve covers.
Yeah, to match with the paint.
Yeah, to match.
Like, it just gave it that extra little, you know.
They gave the chef's kiss right there. Now they did a really good job at the swap. As far as exhaust is headed, it just has like BBK headers, right? Are they long tubes or the
Long
shorties? Long tubes.
The long tubes to the X pipe,
And I see the Maxim Motorsport Castle cambers.
adjustable.
Yeah, I see the adjustable shocks. We just don't know what brand they are.
Yeah.
You know what brand hood this is?
No, I do not.
I mean, it's clean.
Yeah,
I know it's a little different because it has like more of a smooth. It's not a straight edge like a Savini's.
And it's a little bit lighter.
Yeah, it's super light. Because when I close it, it was freaking light.
That's why I'm always scared to leave it open when it's windy.
It shakes, right? It starts shaking like crazy.
Get the wobble of death on it.
Nah,
But I mean,
it's a real clean swap. It just looks really clean.
yeah, just kind of keep it just stock for now. You know, give it that just nice, luxurious look.
All right, so as far as future mods, Dave, or future plans, what are the future plans for the car?
So, talk about a Kennyville. We want to supercharge it, of course. I say we because, of course, it's me and my wife's car. So,
I think the Kenny belts for the cars for these are not intercooled though, right?
no, it's the.
I think it's like a 2-1.
2-1.
2-1, I think.
2-1.
Yeah, it's a 2-1.
So, people say turbo, but I don't really need nothing aggressive. I just
Why not just like a small little, like a small Vortec or?
yeah. People talk about that too as well, but just something about the Kenny Bell and just that whine.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
Like having a little baby. Yeah.
And then hopefully get some rims, some future different setup.
What do you think of the rims? Because
Street setup.
I told you, man, to me these rims.
Oh yeah,
These wheels on a coupe is just like a classic freaking look to me.
it's that perfect drag pack
Yeah, it's
setup.
just a classic look. You don't gotta be like a super racer, but it just looks freaking good. All right, so if you were gonna swap them, what do you think about putting on them?
You know, well, I love the CCW look, of course. You know,
Yeah.
not coming off of you, clean look, but
Hey,
something,
man,
you know.
hey, I don't know if you know this, but I sold some fucking organs to get those wheels, dude.
I bet, dude.
You can't see these guys, but I only have 4 fingers.
Nah, man. Just there's so many different variety of wheels out there. It's kind of hard to actually find that good setup for the car,
Yeah.
especially with the color. I need to make sure.
I think anything you put on it will look good. Like,
Yeah.
Just because the color combo good. Like I've seen Sonic Blue with black wheels gonna look good. Polished wheels, gunmetal. So anything you throw on it is gonna look freaking good.
Yeah, I think I dig the whole black and chrome. With the blue, kind of makes it pop a little bit harder, especially at night
Yeah.
when you get those gas photos. Those gas.
So other than wheels and cable, any other future mods like the outside or?
The outside, no, not really. Kind
We're
of
talking about maybe doing a wing in the back.
Well, yeah, maybe the wing. I pitched it to the wifey, but you know how that goes. You got to make sure everything works for her. It's good for her. So,
all the guys, look at that. Representing San Antonio Fox Farm, guys.
Ray.
Come on.
I know you're gonna watch
Come
it,
on.
Ray.
Come on. You're not on the forum, guys. Come on, get on, join.
Yep.
But,
yeah, man. So basically it. Just little minor mods. Keep it kind of clean.
It's just a clean car, man. Like I like it. Every time I see it, I'm like, man, that's clean.
It's not really a daily, so it sits in the garage basically. So I don't want to do too much crazy work and it just sit for nothing, But for sure, hopefully within the next couple of years, it's gonna look a little bit more of a better stance.
Nah, it looks good the way it is.
Yeah.
In the video, and looking at my friend David's 93 Coupe, showing support. Give me a like, subscribe. Also, guys, I'll be at Foxtoberfest. If y'all see me out there, tell me what's up. I'm trying to build the channel. I'm also making some stickers. Let me know. I'll get y'all a sticker out there. And thanks a lot for staying to the end of the video and showing support. Till next time.